Let me ask you something. If they sack you from your place of work today, how long is your savings going to last for you? 1 month, 2 months, or maybe you're already owing people and you're calculating how long it's going to take you to pay them. I'm not asking you this question to make you feel bad. I'm asking you because this is the position some people are right now. See, relying on one source of income in today's economy is very risky, especially if you're a Nigerian working for working and living in Nigeria. For some of you who are 9 to 5 salary earners, while you're waiting for your salary to be paid, I want you to know that there are people like you who are already using their smartphones to make extra income for themselves every single day. You don't have to wake up by 4:30 in the morning, beat traffic just to get to the office. You don't also have to cope with an annoying boss who is never satisfied no matter how much you try. The best part is that you don't need to own a degree. That means whether you're a school dropout, you're still an undergraduate, you're doing your NYSC or whatsoever, you can do this business. And today, I'm going to break this business down in a very simple way. I'm not going to confuse you. I'm not going to use any technical jargon. I'll go straight to the point and use very simple terms that you can understand. And by the end of this session, I need you to understand how people are actually making money online, how you can start using your smartphone, the exact steps that you can take today to make your first 50K in the next 24 hours, and what makes most beginners stop halfway. So let's go right into it. The first one is how people are making money online. So I'm going to simplify this. This business model is called affiliate marketing. Now, forget about all the big dramas you must have heard about what affiliate marketing is. Think of affiliate marketing like this. You recommend a product. So you recommend a product to someone, they buy it, and you get paid a commission. It is that simple. That is the simplest definition of affiliate marketing. In the same way, you see people stand, in front of markets and all that, or front of shops, and direct, passerbys into the shop to buy, just because they intend to get um, a portion of the sale for every successful customer they bring in. The only difference here is that you are doing this online. So, for example, you recommend a course to somebody using your affiliate link. The person clicks on the link, the person goes ahead to buy. The moment the person makes a purchase, makes a payment, right, for that course you recommended, you earn commission. So you don't need to create your own product. You don't need to handle customer inquiries and all that. You don't need to deliver anything. All you need to do is recommend a product. When someone clicks the link and buy through your recommendation, you earn affiliate commission. Your job is very simple. Bring attention to a product that already exists. And this is where people mess the whole thing up. But because you're watching this webinar, I'm going to explain in very clear terms so you don't have to make the same mistakes most people are making or you'll be making before now. This is not luck. It is a simple system. And if you follow it, you join every other person who is using this same system to make money for themselves every single day. Now, you need to understand that every blessed day, people are using WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram to send people to offers and make money every day. And by the way, when I say offers, I mean either your product or whatever you are promoting. And they are earning commission while sleeping. Pause for a second and ask yourself, if this thing is this simple, why is everybody not doing it? Anyway, I will explain that pretty much later. The very first thing is, how can I start with my smartphone today? I'm sure you're asking yourself the same question. Oh boy, stop talking and tell me exactly how I can start with my phone today. Now, listen carefully. You don't need to have a laptop to do this business. You do not also need huge startup capital, and you do not need to be a tech guru. You do not even need any tech skill at all to start this business. All you need is a smartphone that has access to internet connection. But let me be honest with you. The phone is not the problem. So you can have a phone and you still not make money. You can have the best phone and you can still not make money. Your understanding of what exactly to do is where the problem is. As a beginner, this is what you must do first. Step one, choose a product to promote, not just any random product, something people are already asking for, a product that people already want. Step two, learn how to share it properly. Most people, what they do is that they just copy their affiliate link and they start spamming people's comment section and spamming people's DM, begging them to buy. No, that is not the right way to go about it. Step three, build attention. This is where content creation comes in. Very simple post. You don't need to overcomplicate it. You don't even need to, crack your head around it. Very simple post. Once you understand the strategies I'm about to teach you, you can easily come up with content that resonates, right? It could be short videos, it could be text-based, very simple content that follows normal conversation sequence. Step four, send people the offer. Now, this is where you make all your money. When people comment based on your content, you can now send them your offer, right? And when they make a purchase, you earn commission. Let me also say something very important. Most people fail here because they think posting link is what makes them money. It is not. You can go on social media and post your link from morning to night and you not make a cover. Posting link alone is not what makes you money. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what makes you money aside posting your link. So, what makes you money is your communication, attention, and trust. If you're able to communicate properly and that communication generates you a lot of attention, your job now is to convert that attention into trust. These are three key things you need to bear in mind. So if there is nothing else you take away from this webinar, please take away these three things. What makes you money is your ability to communicate properly, your ability to generate attention based on your communication skill, and your ability to build trust. Be trust using the communication skill you have, right? So if nobody trusts you, nobody is going to buy from you. It is that simple. Now, you know what the business is about, but what exactly do I need to do to make my first 50K within the next 48 hours? I'll show you. If you're starting from zero today, this is what you should do. Number one, pick a platform. A lot of you are trying to grow all platforms at the same time. It will burn you out. Pick a platform. It could be Facebook, it could be TikTok, it could be Instagram. Pick one. Number two, post simple content daily. Forget about the big, big English. Forget about the grammar and all that. Talk about problems people relate to. It could be lack of money. It could be the stress of earning small salary. It could be side income ideas. Just pick one platform and post daily. on problems that people are having. Number three, build curiosity. Don't immediately somebody tells you, somebody comments on your post, don't go ahead to sell immediately. Most people want to ask you questions. Make people ask you questions. Create content that will make people ask you questions. People content that will generate curiosity in the minds of people. Then finally, offer your product as a solution, right? When somebody comes to you, you've already built that curiosity in the mind of the people. Offer your solution or offer your product as the solution to their problems. Then you introduce the product or the opportunity. Now, let us be realistic. Your first goal is not to make millions from this business, right? Your first goal is to make your first sale. Your first goal is to earn your first commission. Your first goal is to have your own first proof that this business works. Once that is done, everything about your mindset, the mindset you have about around making money online changes. Because once you see money enter your account from the internet, my brother, you will stop doubting. You will stop doubting because now you are a living proof. But Obina, this thing sounds very easy. Why is it that most people still fail? I'll tell you, number one is that people quit too early. You see people start something today, they try it for the next 3 days and they give up. You see people go online, they see somebody that maybe made a sale or somebody who is doing well, they start copying everything the person is doing blindly, and eventually they become confused. They don't build trust. They only post link, no value whatsoever. Number four, they jump from one business model to another. Today, you see them doing affiliate marketing. Tomorrow, they are doing cryptocurrency. Next tomorrow, they are doing forex. They are jumping up and down. The truth is, if you keep jumping from one business to another, you will remain broke. In this business, focus is everything. So figure out one and focus on it. At this point, you already understand the basics. But here is the real question. Understanding is not the same thing as execution. Most people know what to do, but very few actually do it correctly. And even fewer people do it with guidance. Because when you're alone, you will overthink, you will delay implementation, you will get confused, and you will eventually quit. And that is where the problem is. This is why I put together a step-by-step mentorship, not just a random course, a guided system where I put you through choosing the right product, setting up your foundation, because when the foundation is poor, you will struggle. So I'll help you set up the right foundation, content that actually brings attention, right? I also teach you how to get your first sale step by step, the exact things that you need to do to get your first sale. This is not just a training where you are mandated to watch videos and then figure it out. No, this is a training where I show you, you implement, I correct you, then you improve. I know you're already thinking of saying, I don't have money. Look, I understand, but let me be honest with you. The problem is not with the fact that you lack money. The problem is you staying at the same financial position for years to come. Because for every opportunity you see, you will also say, I don't have money. Or you may be saying, I'm a beginner, I don't even know where to start. And that is very good because beginners follow instructions faster than overthinkers. And this is the best place for you to start. You can also be telling yourself, I've tried this before and I failed. Yes, I understand. If this is you, then you already know the mistake that made you fail. You were probably building alone. So this is the difference because you are not building alone this time. Now listen, I will not force you to do anything, but I'll tell you this. The people who win in this business are not the smartest. They are the ones who start properly and stay consistent with guidance. If you are actually serious about making money online, do not allow this opportunity pass you by. I'll give you access to the complete guide plus access to my mentorship community for just 15,000 instead of 25,000 naira. But this price won't stay this long. If you want me to hold you by the hand and guide you step by step, this is your chance. Click on the WhatsApp link below this video in the description of this video to secure your spot immediately. If you want to connect with me, please feel free to either send me an email, send me a WhatsApp message, or contact me on my Twitter handle. But with that, we have come to the end of this webinar. Please, if you have any question, do well to drop it in the chat box. And don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you right in the community. Cheers.